Welcome to Product HQ. Product HQ gives product managers the ability to track customer and team feedback in a single location that they can then review and promote into features or dismiss if the feedback is not aligned with their product strategy. To review product feedback, you can go to Research, Feedback Management, and from there decide, do you want to see your user or team feedback? User feedback can be generated from a number of different ways. The first is that all accounts with Product HQ come with a feedback widget that can be set up, embedded, and customized within your product. We also provide a product roadmap which can be shared with team members and can be set up by going to Setup, Setup Feedback Tools, Product Roadmap Setup, and within here is a setup tool for generating a product roadmap that you can share with your team and user members, which they can review and submit feedback from about your product, where you're going, what you've released, and vote on your popular features. User feedback can also be added directly from within here. If you've got a support team member that is on a phone call with a customer or an email, they can hit Add Feedback and generate feedback from within here to track the customer feedback directly within your platform and consolidate that into a single location for you to review. Once you have your customer feedback, you can also view team feedback from within here. Teams can be added to Product HQ as contributors to their account. You can organize your team by going to Setup, Add Team Members. Within your team members, you can then define different categories or departments. If you've got a sales team, marketing, support, or development teams, you can add departments. Once you've defined your departments, you can add your team members and associate them with departments. Moving forward, they'll be able to log in and contribute feedback about your product and what they think you should be working on. You can review that information from here and filter that information by department if needed to help ensure you're reviewing consolidated feedback from a certain group at the same time. Once all of the feedback is within Product HQ, you can decide to promote feedback into a feature if you've identified what it is the pain point they're communicating in a solution. If you've got feedback that is associated or similar to an open feature, you can choose to merge the feedback into an existing one. Or, if the feedback provided does not align with your strategy, you can choose to dismiss this feedback and let the customer or team member know why you did that. Additionally, we do provide different ways for you to review the feedback and decide and weigh the feedback to align with overall scoring models. ICE stands for Impact, Confidence, and Ease. It is a 1 through 10 scale, and based on the 1 through 10 values you define, you come up with an ICE score. This helps you define which feedback may provide you the greatest amount of value that you may want to promote into features for your backlog items.